One of the best applications is Quizlet. Sofia is sleeping on a couch. This method might be the most difficult, but it's more effective as well. When I was in school, it was my favorite way to learn words. Hello everybody! For those who don't know me yet, my name is Regina and I am a German teacher. Today I will tell you how to memorize a bigger amount of German words in a day and how to try out different memorization techniques. Let's start! You need to know that there is no German nouns without the article. You always must learn them together. If you don't, you will sound unbeautiful. So, please keep in mind, always learn a noun with its article. All German nouns have a gender, which refers to a grammatical category, in contrast to the English language, where the gender of the noun is always obvious and refers to the actual meaning of a word. As a rule, it's very confusing and people have difficulties with the memorization of the German words. The first method or technique. I won't reinvent the wheel, draw a line splitting a sheet of paper in two and write down English words on the one side and German words on the other side. Close one side with a hand and translate the words into German, and close the other side with a hand and translate the words into English. Method number 2. Use web-based study applications. One of the best applications is Quizlet. It's free, you can use it online on a PC or download an app for your smartphone. With Quizlet, you can listen to the correct pronunciation of a word, complete tests, do listening and many other things. Try a really good way to learn German words with Quizlet. Of course, there are other platforms, for example an app called Remember, but they are all alike, so choose one and use it. The third method. Learn words with help of associations. If you can't memorize a word, make up an association or situation connected with this word. For example, how can I learn the word das Sofa? I can imagine a situation, and the word das Sofa is a couch in English. So, the situation. Sofia is sleeping on a couch. The name Sofia sounds the same as the word das Sofa, and the word das Sofa is a couch in English. So, you can imagine your own situations for each word and memorize the articles as well. Method number 4. Learn words in sentences. This method might be the most difficult, but it's more effective as well. You should learn not only the word, but also make up a sentence for it. So you memorize the word better, and in addition you can practice your grammar. Let the sentences be not so big and difficult. The fifth method, sticky notes. When I was in school, it was my favorite way to learn words. I used to take a small sticky note, write down a word and stick it on something. Right, using this method you won't learn a lot of words, but it will definitely help you with memorization of everyday vocabulary. For example, I want to learn the word der Kühlschrank. I write this word down on a sticky note and stick it on a refrigerator. This way we make our eidetic memory work. We see this sticky note on the refrigerator and the word stays imprinted in our brain. I told you about 5 cool methods of vocabulary memorization. Try any or all of them. Pick a method which suits you best and use it. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was Regina. Thumbs up if you like this video, and bye!